Okay, hey guys, so you already know my name is Danny Olivo. Basically what we got going on here is the Lexus. The blower motor is not really working. No air is coming from the air conditioner. No matter if you switch modes, high, low, fast or slow, it's still nothing really comes out. You know, I'm a realtor, formerly with Best Match Real Estate, soon to be with another company. Still doing some transfers, but you know, I'm a licensed realtor, and we here doing some mechanic work. So right here, what I did, I took off the piece that goes under the dashboard, under the glove department, so you can really see what's going on. That's the blower motor. Okay, you can tell something's wrong with it because no air is coming out from up here, unless you like maybe hit it a little bit. You heard that? That's not normal. But when you hit it a little bit, a little air comes out from here. Okay, so basically I'm gonna switch it, uninstall it, put this new one. Simple technique, simple strategy here. Just unscrew these little guys. Like this one, for instance. I'm gonna get under here and show it to you. Alright, so after I unscrew that one, maybe, you know, that one and that one, unhook it, you're gonna see what's gonna go down, okay? Okay, so I basically unhooked it. I just took out the screws, but you can see that this is the blower motor, how it's working. It's spinning. That's with it on. No matter the speed, it's on high. I'm gonna switch it and see what happens. Okay, so I just switched it. This is the old one. This is the new one. Basically, you just unhook it with this little piece right here. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see what happens. Big difference, guys. Such a big difference. So I'm gonna pull that back inside so you can see that's gonna really bring out the air to the car. Okay, guys. So this is the bottom of it. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm just screwing everything back. This is one screw right here. Make sure you screw it right. There's another screw up there. Okay. And this holds it down. There's another vent where air comes out. So if you guys looking for a mechanic, I know how to do some mechanical work too. I'm gonna now play this, see how it comes out. So that's a lot cooler. You can feel it. Different modes under here and up top. Like it's working again, guys. Nice and cool. So there you have it. If you're looking for a mechanic, let me know. We just fixed the Lexus RX330. This is a similar method you could use. Alright, have a good one.